You know, I have jewelries. My God, how can I wear all these jewelries on? Yeah. Oh, the last one doesn't work. You know, it's that one.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Hello guys! Kararating lang namin guys galing sa dive. Napagod ako kanina sa basurahan, 'di ba? Pero ngayon it's already 12:16 ng gabi. Gising pa kami ni Tami, kararating namin. And yun lang yung nakuha namin sa basura, yung nakita ninyo. Konti lang siya guys. And napagdesisyonan ko na ngayong season, this year, i-end ko muna yung dumpster dive natin. I-end ko muna yung diving natin, guys. So, yun yung plano ko. Hindi muna tayo mag-dive. Sana po dito sa YouTube, sa Facebook, sana po manonood pa rin kayo kahit hindi na ako nag-dive. You know, kasi alam nyo na, hindi naman talaga yung original content ko, 'di ba? Daily vlog naman talaga ako, pero alam nyo na, nahiligan ko siya, and then masaya gawin, pero lately walang nakuha. So baka balikan natin yan pag may holiday. Yun, diba? So yun siya, balik tayo daily vlog. And who is calling? Hi guys, before natin i-end itong vlog, Tammy got me something. It's already, is that for me, honey? Where did you get this? Birthday daw niya. Birthday regalo daw. Hi guys. So yun guys. So tignan natin itong regalo. Ito na guys. Tommy got me a thing. Seriously.
I don't like not real. I mean, it's fine when you're just out to get some costume stuff or...
Oh my God. He surprised me with a
jewelry. I saw another piece that I
jewelry.
really liked. It was about the same size, but it was really nice. I was like, it was not rose gold, it was strawberry gold.
What is that? Strawberry
It looked
gold?
like rose gold.
It's red? Strawberry is red?
It was a little more pink than rose gold.
Seriously?
And like chocolate stones.
Yeah?
It was like $2 grand. I was like, forget it.
No, hon. Oh my God. You know, I have jewelries. My God. How can I wear all these jewelries on?
You don't wear them all together. You wear them all differently times.
That's why he left and then he doesn't come home.
Yeah. And you gotta give me a hard time all the time.
Because
that's why you saw the Exxon station, because I was across the street from Home Depot. Right across the street from Home Depot.
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, I spent another money for this. Oh my goodness. This box is so pretty, huh? So they have that, what did you say? They have that, like that snake chain.
They had a snake chain that was a little bit thicker than that, but it wasn't like a snake. It looked like a box chain.
Okay.
It wasn't what you think of when you think of a snake chain. And she goes, "Oh, that's a snake. It's a square snake." I said, "Yeah." And I said, "I used to work with jewelers, and that's not a snake chain. That's a box chain." No, this is a box. That's a box. Believe me, that's a box chain. You can call it whatever you like at this point, but it's not a snake chain. It's not what she had in mind. And she goes, "Well, you know, I could probably try and order something for you." And she had, "No, birthday tomorrow. Order it. It won't really work for me." Yeah, it's got a lot of sparkle.
Right? Even that round thing is so sparkly.
Oh, because it's all diamonds around it. There's like four bigger diamonds.
Oh, there is a big one?
4 bigger ones in the middle, and then there's smaller ones around.
You don't have to spend money, huh?
They had one that was smaller. I liked it better.
This is poison ivy.
Oh, and you just rubbed it on my face. Thank you, huh?
Okay.
But the stone in the middle, it was only one stone instead of like the 4. I said, but the problem was that the stone in the middle, it wasn't a nice looking stone. It was like if I looked at it really close, you could see all the marks in it. It was like, yeah. And it was actually cheaper than this.
Really?
Yeah. Which it should not have been. It should have been more expensive than this.
Bye guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. I like the smell of the coffee. Bye. Good night. See you.
Bye guys. I would say good night, but over there it's good morning. So good morning guys.
Good morning.
Have coffee for the morning. There you go.
Bye guys.
Over here it's 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
See, my wife's out here playing with her weeds again. Oh. Of course, you know she's not wearing new gloves, so she can get poked some more. Or maybe she is. Yeah, she is. Those are big sticks. Do they grow? They look healthy.
I do. I want that tree to be just not. It's still alive or what?
It looks alive.
I don't. This is not a good tree.
I don't know. It looks nice though. Look at the inside of it.
No, this is just a. You cannot. Hold you blind. Watch out.
You're gonna crack that. Can we get it? She's killing off trees. Killing the trees.
Because this is a garden. This is not a tree thing.
Not a garden.
I will make it like a flower thing. Okay guys, hindi pa ako tapos. So on Christmas. And a Christmas eh. Hi guys. Anyway guys, andito na tayo sa loob ng bahay. Naligo. Kasi samahan ko si Tammy guys papuntang i-meet lang namin yung kapatid niyang babae. Of course, mga babae naman yun. Naligo ako guys kasi galing tayo sa labas. I'm not done outside, love. Cutting the tree branches. And also after that, I'm going to get rid of the thing. Cut it, get rid of it, and ipalahi natin yung damo. The lupahan, I'm gonna dig the thing, and then spray that you can't grow, and then I will maintain it that way. Because guys, it's ugly. That's bad looking, love. Yeah, I can smell it from here. So Tammy is having sandwich. So yun guys, and then I will continue probably later this afternoon. This tomorrow is raining. So what I'm gonna do is continue later before rains. Rain tomorrow, right?
Rain tomorrow.
That means guys, if I don't do it later, guys, continue when you came back. That means all that is starting already growing on the ground, like all that poison ivy thing starting already. So I should start doing something, and when it's hot, spray them. My husband is so nam. Oh, you nam. I laundry, honey. I wash it, huh? Anyway, guys, so we are going now. Alahan, I thought it's nice day, but it's not really nice.
Oh, I didn't think it'd be nice.
Hala, do you have my wallet, love?
No, I'll get back to you.
You sure? Oh, it's right there. Oh my goodness, I lost my mind. Just today, guys. Never been like that.
It's not true, guys.
Honey,
Like that for a long time.
Hey.
Long time.
Seriously. It's time to clean the car, guys. Because it is summer. Is it summer already?
No.
Oh, it's not yet?
No.
Really? Holy moly. Si Holy. Okay, let's go out, guys. Can you hold the camera for me like that? Just holding the camera, he doesn't know how to do it. That's how cute he is, guys. Everything he does, it's cute. That's my baby. He's cute. Even when he smiles, he is the cutest. When he smiles, but when he is mad, not at all. Oh my God, okay. Nakakapagod mag-garden pero masarap pagkatapos. Yun siya. Anyway, let's go. Do you know the address? Tami sa labas na nigarilyo. Andito na kami, guys. Sa bangko lang naman kami. Nakikita sa ano. Meron din akong gawain. Meron din akong gagawin sa bangko, guys. So kaya andito kami ni Tami. And then i-meet din niya yung kapatid niya. And then yan. Mag-snack lang ako. Oh my God, ang sakit ng mata ko kasi kagabi po, guys, nag-live ako. Masarap siya. Masarap siya. Deep sea noodles. Sarap. Traffic, where are you? Where are you? Trafficker. Dito na naman kami guys sa Harbor Freight. So, paboritong lugar ni Mister. Kailangan lang niyang magbili na naman sa Harbor Freight. Sa mga tolls area, meron lang siyang bibilhin. So, hinintay ko lang siya guys dito. Sabi ko, hindi na ako sasama. Ang daming tao dito sa parking lot talaga. Dito ako kapag gabi guys, kapag mag-adventure kami ni Tami pag gabi. O ngayon, basta daytime talaga, grabe ang busy na area talaga dito. Andito na si Mister. Tignan natin. So, why you get, oh my god, you get only what you need and then you end up having the 2 bags.
I got O-rings.
O-rings?
Yeah.
What is O-rings?
I got the pressure pins. I got a pair of small leather gloves.
Oh my god, how many gloves do you need to get for me?
I got Fridge it is.
No, we have to stop over there.
Over where?
I'm gonna do live.
Over where?
And then I'm going to Burlington to look in the back. Sabi ko sa kanya, bili ka ng chicken na chicken thighs para makapagluto ako. So ngayon, ang dami palang binili. Ito siya, lutuin natin. And then itong iba is ilagay sa freezer. Kasi doon, ng kapitbahay yan, nakatingin lang sa kapitbahay. Tignan. Yeah, I know, I'm talking about you guys. Nakatingin lang yun sa kapitbahay. But anyway, so it is 4 something o'clock na ng hapon. Ay nako, my husband talaga. Ito na guys, mga binili niya. 3 chicken na ganun. At saka, bumili siya ng rye bread. Paborito niya. And also, paborito niya cucumber. And then ito, luto tayo with chicken broccoli. So, yun. And of course, more banana. Kasi the banana is not enough. Ito at saka almond milk. Para sa cereal yan, guys. Oh my God, tignan nyo. Dalawa talaga. Hindi siya makaano, guys. Sabihin ko talaga. And then, binilhan na naman ako. Binilhan ako kahapon ng gloves. So, ngayon, binilhan na naman ako. Small version. Ito talagang asawa ko, guys. Ang hirap. Ang daming mga anik-anik dito. Nakakaloki. Babs, what are you doing? Oh, that's the thing. You space. No space.
I got a space. I got a space.
It's you or something. Make sure that you don't... Oh, you just put it itself?
If it fits in a bag the way it is, I put it the way it is. If it doesn't, then I take them out.
It's okay if you put that in the big Ziploc bag because we're gonna use it anyway.
No, because that's not a freezer bag.
No, then you have to do it over there. I don't like this big kitchen, but we don't have space. We need a bigger house. This house is not enough. We're going to sell this house, guys. The house is not...
Trailer.
It's not enough, guys. We need more space. Kasi yung asawa ko, kinuha na niya lahat ng space. Wala na akong mapaglutuan. So, mag-move daw kami sa trailer. Trailer. I would love to have a trailer house. Oh, no, not trailer house, son.
Trailer.
The RV. The RV that we can travel. then, ito na siya. Lagyan lang natin ng asin. Nag-start na siyang nagtubig na naman. Basta lagi magluto ka ng ganito, dapat malakas yung apoy. So, anyway guys, yun yung dinner namin. Yung chicken, hindi ko tinapos kasi maraming chicken. So, hindi ko siya tinapos. Hindi ko siya nilagay tinapos. Hindi ko siya nilagay dito lahat. Minarinate ko siya and then bukas na lang sa ibang broccoli kasi hindi ko din niluto lahat ng broccoli kasi kapag maramihan kasi yung luto guys, ang tendency kasi magtubig siya ba, so kaya itong ano din, itong broccoli din, inano ko siya, yung parang yung binuil ko siya and then dinidrain ko siya ng matagal para hindi din siya matubig. So yun siya lang. Yung dinner natin and then luto din ako ng rice. Yung bahay, oh. Maganda yung ilaw. Yeah, we like the lights and really like the purple.
Yeah, nice if the porch lights work.
Yeah. Oh, the last one doesn't work.
It does.
No, it's not. 1, 2, 3. 3 only.
4.
Huh?
4.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
I was talking about the top.
Oh, the spotlight. Okay, yeah, there's one doesn't work. Ay, nagtapon lang kami ng basura. Why? Why there is one bone here? Why there is a one bone?
Because Roxy doesn't eat.
Hi guys, galing kami, nagtapon lang kami ng basura. Hi guys, tapos na po kaming kumain and so yun, dito tayo sa taas. Ang ginaw talaga dito. Open pala yung window dito eh. I can see house. Dinala ko lang itong old camera kasi may mga nag-collection ako yung mga old cameras ni Mister. So, kinukulik ko siya kasi gusto ko talaga siyang i-display. Hindi ko pa siya na-display. Ang daming camera kasi guys, as in guys. Yung mga old cameras. Sa closet ko dito sa taas lang. Mga camera, old cameras. Look. I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Dito tayo sa office. Oh, relax. Oh, yung niluto ko pala na broccoli, chicken with broccoli. Ang sarap. And yun. So, thank you guys. Masarap siya. Nagustuhan ni Mr. Kumain siya ng 2 pieces with rice. Salamat guys sa panonood. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Good night.